In this video, we want to take the derivative with respect to t of e to the y times cosine of t plus cosine of y equals sine of t. So let's first take the derivative e to the y cosine of t. For that, we need to use the chain rule. So first leave the whole expression by itself and then multiply by the derivative of the exponent. For the derivative of the exponent, you need to use a product rule. So take the derivative of y with respect to t and get y prime. Multiply that by cosine of t. Now the derivative of cosine of t is negative sine t, and then times y for y here. Now we want to take the derivative of cosine of y. That's going to be negative sine y times y prime. So the reason we multiply by y prime is because y is a function of t. So think of that as chain rule. Take the derivative of the outside function, keep y the same, the inside, and then multiply by the inside derivative. Then we take the derivative of sine to get cosine of t. At this point, we notice that there's two y primes, so that's what we want to solve for. So why don't we factor that out? So y prime is being multiplied by e to the y cosine of t times cosine of t. So that's this one. And then it's being also multiplied by negative sine of y. What's left is e to the y cosine of t times negative sine t times y, which is this expression. And that's going to equal cosine of t. Now we're going to add both sides, e to the y cosine of t times sine of t times y. And finally, we can divide both sides by whatever's inside the parentheses here and get that y prime is equal to e to the y times cosine of t times sine of t times y. And this y is not multiplying the t, it's multiplying the whole sine of t plus cosine of t all over cosine of t times e to the y times cosine of t minus sine of y.